Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Hey mama, I know why you are watching this video. Let me greet you.
Celebrating this moment can
Congratulations to your newborn baby. May God bless this baby. May the baby be a blessing to the world and be a blessing to the generation in Jesus' name. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through on how to achieve your baby's birth certificate easily. So you need to watch this video to the end because I have some hints that I'm going to give you at the end of the video. So for us not to waste our time, let's dive into the video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we'll be talking about Canada birth certificate registration and delivery timeline. What are the benefits of giving birth in Canada? 1. Automatic Canadian citizenship. Canada is one of the best North American country that allows child by citizenship by birth. Second, access to healthcare, free healthcare, education opportunity. Your children will have world-class education, including lower tuition fees, sometimes scholarship, social benefits, and dual citizenship. That's one of the best thing about Canada. They allow dual citizenship. So next, now Ontario birth registration. So once you give birth, within 30 days, you need to do your registration. However, if there is some situation that will not allow you to do the registration within these 30 days, you can still do it within 12 months. However, there's going to be a fee that comes with the late registration, which is $50. So let's talk about 5-in-1 newborn bundle. So this bundle allows you to do registration, allow you to do birth registration, birth certificate application, social insurance number application, Canada child benefits, and education saving referral. Now, once you do this registration at once, you don't need to do it separately again. And we will dive into the registration section after this presentation. Now, Ontario birth registration process. What are the process? It has two-step process. Step 1, once you give birth in the hospital, the doctor or the nurse will give you a document that contains the baby's name, your name, the baby's weight, the date the baby is being given birth. So all these documents, you need to have it. You will sign and register, and the nurse and the doctor will then send it to the Service Ontario themselves. Now, the step 2, you need to register online, which we're going to do. But in this step 2, you can decide to do mail-in registration or online registration. However, we both know that the fastest registration is online registration. So which I will recommend, which we did when we did. So information needed for birth registration. What are the information? Now, before you start this registration, you must have that document that was being given to you in the hospital. So always remember, ask the doctor or the nurse. They will give it to you, so you don't even have to ask. So these are the kind of format of the the document. Yeah, it contains every details. So your baby date of birth, baby's name, parental information, name of hospital, birth status, name of person who delivered the baby, baby's weight, length of pregnancy, which is 39, right? Yeah. So birth certificate option and cost. So totally, if you are permanent resident or citizen in Canada, so all what you need to just pay for is birth certificate and parental information, so which is $25, or you can pay for a certified copy of birth registration, which is $35. But they are just similar. You don't need to, like, if you want to pay for the one of $35, you can pay, but you can just go for $25. So those are the things. So the last one is the delivery date. Your birth certificate will be delivered to your home address, so you need to provide an accurate home address, and the processing time is between 6 to 8 weeks. Exactly 6 to 8 weeks. That's one of the good thing about Canada. They keep the time. So for you to register your new baby, you need to go to Service Ontario Newborn Registration Service. I will share the link below that will direct you to the right page. Now click on register. So once you click on register, you click on get started. And once you click on get started, they will ask you some eligible questions. So was the child born in Ontario? For those people in Ontario, we say yes. So when was the child born? We say 11, you just put a date. Yeah. So is this child diseased? No, by God's grace. They will ask you this question about the parent also. Yeah, the dead or healed? You say no. Then you click on continue. Was this child born through surrogacy? You say no. Is this child in the legal custody or care or control of person other than their parents? No. So was this a single or multiple birth? So if you give birth to twins or triple, you click on triple. For this, for the sake of this video, we are using one single. Was this child delivered by a person other than doctor or midwife? In Canada, majorly, a child have been given birth in hospital. So you say no, then continue. How many parents will be listed in the child birth? So we always advise just use the two name. We don't know, but just use the two parents' name. So then click continue. Now, in this section, there's child name. Let's say the child name is Peter. Let's say the middle name is John. Let's say the last name is Matthew. Then, okay, so the next question is, do the parent agree the last name? So if you agree, let's just say, oh, yes, we agree. And depend on you. So this is about the child. Sex of the child is a male. So what is the weight of the child? That is why I said all this information will be needed. What is the weight of the child? You remember the book that I told you that you need to put aside? Then you can get the weight of the child. Then which hospital? So you come here. So let's say Mississauga, and let's say hospital. Where was the child born? Birth center? No. Let's just say hospital. Then you come over here and you click the hospital. Let's click this. Now, who delivered Peter John? You can say the doctor. Let's just pick the doctor. So let's write the doctor name. What is the doctor name? Let's say Dr. Mark. So last name, let's say just Peter. Okay, so then let's continue. Okay, you say must put will be doctor. Okay, so this is the formats for this information that will be on your birth certificate. So they are just showing you a sample of what it will be. So let's continue. Then parent name. Let's say the mother's name is Faith, her middle name is Mary, and the last name is Peter. They have put in the name here. So did this parent give birth to Peter, John, Matthew? Yes. So you say yes, you click on yes. If they say no, you are the mother, of course, so you say yes. So next of the parents, so this is the father's name. First name is father's first name is Paul. Middle name is James. If you don't have a middle name, you can just leave it blank. Then current last name is Peter. Now, so the parent name will be the name on the birth registration. So mother's name Peter. Remember, we claimed the middle name. So this is what we have. If you put the middle name like to be, you can see the middle name. Yeah. So let's click continue. Once you click continue, which title would fit Peter like? So that's the mother. That's fit Peter. That's the mother. And what's the marital status? She's married. Yeah. If you're single mother, you can put single there. So what is the duration of pregnancy? Of course, 9 months is 39 weeks. Some people give back 37 weeks and 36. So you can put any weeks you deliver the baby. Has Faith married previously given birth to any child, live born or stillborn before September? If you've given birth to a live child in Canada here, you can just put yes, but no, you can just leave it. So when was this parent born? So your date of birth, you put it over here. Let's say 1919 February. Did the parent have a different last name? Just put no. So where was the parent born? Where was the parent born? The parent was born in Nigeria. Province? No. Parent born Nigeria. Not applicable. Just put not applicable. Country? You say Nigeria. Put Nigeria. Then continue. So the parent title, this is a part of the father's name. So you click on father, you click on date of birth, just the way you did for the mother. No, so just play the last name. Have your last name be changed? No. So when was the father born? Let's say Ghana. Province, not applicable. Just click on not applicable. Country. Let's say Ghana. Where is Ghana? Ghana, show yourself. Okay, I can see it here. Continue. So now, where's your address? This is very important because they are going to send the document to your home address. So let's just click postal code like this. Let's use this postal code, the one I used before. You need a number. So let's put your number. You put your number over here and your mailing address. please ensure that your mailing address is right, because they are sending you a very crucial information. So you can't afford to miss the address, the package. So do you live in an area needing special delivery mode? If you need a special delivery mode, like a rural area, mobile route, general, you can just click yes, and you will specify, you will tell them what you need. But in this case, for this video, let's just say no. So is the mailing address above same as permanent address? Yeah, if it's your permanent address, just click yes. Otherwise, you click no. So these are the information. So now they are showing you the information, and there are fees for making charges or at a later date. For example, if an error name, so ensure that you check it, because if there's an error, if they need change, it's $137. So you won't afford to make any error. Then, so once you click on this, you click on all this, click on it, and once you click on it, you press continue. So once you click on continue, you get here, what are your birth certificate? So you have answered all the questions, then you click continue. So once you click continue, you come to here. This is what the birth certificate will look like. This is what the birth certificate will look like. So then, would you like to review other type of birth certificate available? Just click no. The one I told you. But if you want it and one with $35, you can click yes. You can click yes, and they will give you the other option of this $35. But yeah, I would just advise you to just go with the $25 one. Then, which parent will be the applicant for the above birth certificate? So in Canada, the woman, the mother, is always the one the government send most of the benefit to. So just leave it to the mother. Let the mother handle. After all, the mother gave birth to the baby. Then you check this. You have to check this. Then you continue. So once you continue, then you come over here. Then you click on continue also. So once you get here, so which parent is the child primary caregiver? Also, just the mother. Then you click here. What is primary giver social security number? You have to click on put your insurance number here. Then continue. And so come to here, notice of collision, we agree. So just click here, we agree, we check here, then we click continue. So once you click continue, yeah, so we would like the RASP promoter document. The RASP is kind of like this specific kind of account that you need to open for your children, your child, your new baby, for future education. So you put some specific amount in the account, and the government had to hit. So they ask you if you want the bank to communicate with you. Once you apply here and you said you want bank to communicate with you, the bank official that is specialized in RASP will communicate with you, will call you. So select, for example, if you want your bank here to communicate with you, which bank, you can just pick any bank you want. Then you accept that you are the one that I tell them to call you. Then locate in your office area. So they will automatically generate the one near to your location. So how do we want them to communicate with you? You can either choose email or you can choose number. For this video, let's just use our number. So when would you want you to call you? Just put afternoon, but it's optional. What language? You can choose French or you can choose English. So you check on this, check this, and continue. So once you continue to get this, you can see that this is just $25 for the birth certificate, and you continue to payment. So this is just the scenario. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Once again, may God bless your baby. In my next video, I'm going to lead you through on how to apply for your baby's newborn baby Canadian passport. So without this birth certificate, you won't be able to apply for your newborn baby Canadian passport. So there's some document that you will need. So in my next video, I'm going to guide you through step by step on how to achieve this, the cost, the document required, and what the form that you need to fill. So for more video like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.